thank you so much for clicking that button to watch this video. Oh, no. Calm down. Take it back. Did I not say welcome to the powder room? Hey guys, welcome back to the powder room with Nikki. Thank you so much for clicking that button to watch this video. Can I just say I really miss saying welcome back to the powder room with Nikki. Oh my gosh. I miss you guys. Thank you guys so much. We finally reached 23,100 was the last time I checked subscribers. I'm so happy that you guys have been loving the vlogs. You guys have pushed me to continue to be consistent this year and upload. And yeah, and step out of my comfort zone. I'm a really private person, so the vlogs are something new for me. Very new. Today's video is gonna, wait, before we get into today's video, can I just say happy Black History Month? If you are gonna be extra, this is the month to be extra, okay? If you're gonna be extra, this is the month to be extra. Happy Black History Month to everyone out there. And before we get into today's video, I am going to throw this out there. I will never tell you guys anything that is not 100% my thoughts. Y'all know how I am. I don't know if y'all know or not, but y'all gonna find out. I'm very transparent. So anything that I say to you is not because I'm paid to do it. You can't pay me to lie. That's just not how I work. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you all know that PINCHme actually reached out to me and asked me to show you guys or tell you guys about their company. So PINCHme is a subscription company. I'm picking, like, I don't know, this is hanging out of my box, so I'm picking at this. So PINCHme is a subscription company that allows you to try products from leading brands for free. That's right, I said free. She free, y'all. But I'll have everything down below, so like the links and everything to the exact website. I guess this is an influencer box that I was sent. Yeah, this is an influencer box, so I'm not sure if you guys if you are to try PINCHme, I'm not sure if it'll be this big or whatnot. But the products are 100% free. All you have to do is subscribe, fill out a profile, and give your thoughts and opinions once you get your box. Let's go ahead and open this box together, shall we? Okay, so it says, we're so thrilled to have you on board. You get special access to exclusive products, special promotions, rewards, and much more. Please enjoy and share this box of amazing products with your followers, subscribers, and readers. We hope that more people can discover and try products from leading brands. We really look forward to working together. With love, the PINCHme team, XOX. With that being said, they reached out to me. I am not paid to share this with you all. I had the option to say yes or no, but I felt like this would be something that almost anybody can take advantage of, so why not? You know, it's free. So how it works is you become a pincher by completing your member profile, telling a little bit about yourself, and then they match you with products that are relevant to your lifestyle. So everybody knows I'm a mom of 2. So I guess they would send me products, hopefully, for like baby, you know, baby products or toddler toothpaste or, you know, just stuff for the kids. And 2, you pick your samples. So on Sample Tuesday, you choose samples to add to your box. And what happens is every Sample Tuesday, they'll send you an email that tells you to pick your products. And not every month you'll get a box. I want to just make that clear. Not every month everyone will get a box. It's only if they feel that the box is fitting to your lifestyle. Not every month you will get a box. It's only if it's fitting for your lifestyle and it's while products last. So not every product that you pick will be in that box. It's while products last. And then you just give them feedback in exchange for free products. It also says 100% free, no credit cards, not your average box, and yeah, join the family. So we're gonna go through this box really quick. First off, I see this whitening, extra whitening toothpaste, no artificial flavors or colors. I'll definitely try this. Let's open it. This actually looks full size. I guess this is full size. I've never seen this. Dr. Sheffield's whitening toothpaste. Is my camera picking this up? So yeah, we have whitening toothpaste. We have some Blue Diamond Almond Nut Thins. So, okay, again, can I just add, because I don't know if you all know this, but I'm allergic to coconut and almond nuts. So anything with coconut or almonds in it, I can't have, but the kids could definitely eat it. Chris can eat it. Then we have this protein bar, 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, no BS. I guess it's called the RX bar. Yeah, it's a peanut bar. No gluten, no soy, no dairy for all of our vegans out there. This for yeah. We have a cashew bar, chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bar. This would sound so good if it didn't have almonds in it, so Chris would have this. We have some super white, 2 free samples inside, laundry whitening sheets. I don't know if I would try this, only because I have extremely sensitive skin, so certain detergents and bleach break me out, so I don't know if I would try that. But we have this Think Thin protein and probiotics. This is a protein shake. It's Madagascar vanilla bean flavor. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. But yeah, this is a protein drink. So we have this. And then we have Hydrating Argan Hair Mask, which I could probably use right now. Gives hair a silky texture, repairs damaged hair, moisturizes dry hair, gives hair a radiant shine. Yes, deep conditioning, hydrating, softener, silkier, and healthier looking hair. I could definitely use that right now because the struggle is real. And then we have Sugaru Glue, family safe, skin friendly formula. Fixing is good. I don't really know what this is. It looks like, okay, so we have ours in the color black. 30 to 45 minutes to fix, build, and create. So you stick it. Oh, it's a multi-purpose moldable glue that sticks permanently to a lot of material. Isla breaks everything. This is for mommies with kids. This is for moms with kids. Isla breaks everything. So I'm gonna try this out. I'll show you guys on Snapchat if it works or not. And yeah, that's all that I have for this month. So if you are interested in receiving a free box from PINCHme, I will put everything in the description box below. And again, thank you guys, PINCHme. Thank you guys so much for reaching out to me and collaborating with me. And yes, y'all, 100% free. Like, we love free. So yeah, thank you, PINCHme. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time in the powder room. Bye. Did I say Happy Black History Month?